If you guys are interested in what our hotel looks like, this is our hotel, Hotel Victor. So I'll give you guys a nice little shot of what the outside looks like. Here you go. It's a pretty big place, you know? Here's the outside of our hotel, Hotel Victor. And at the bottom levels, you have Nick Cannon's Wildin' Out, Happy Place Donuts, and there's also a sugar shack right over there too. Right next to this gorgeous mansion over here. And our hotel, there's Hun taking pictures, is literally right across from the beach. So that's super cool that we can just walk right across, and they give us free towels and free water. Very, very nice. Thanks, Hun.
We made it to Hotel Victor, which is our temporary home for the week. We are here very early, a couple of hours before check-in, and so thankfully they're gonna take our bags. And the great part about it is we can start using the amenities immediately. So beach towels, bottled water, cabanas, first come, first serve, free fruit. I love it. And it's hot outside, so I can't wait to start taking advantage of all of the offers. Look at Hun adding his comments in back there. So it's beautiful, it is nice and air conditioned, and I can't wait to get started and start exploring Miami.
Here's what the hotel looks like from my angle. So it's very pretty. Gorgeous decor. We have celebrities, that's Madonna over here. Then you have Prince and Aubrey. Gives you a little bit more information about the art here. The small couches are really cute and comfortable. And we also have a few chairs to take a seat at. There you go, hun. So cute. The restaurant over there.
You're back.
We're back.
We got a call and say that our room is ready.
We just got our keys and we are on our way to the room. Oh, here it is.
There it is.
Woohoo! All right, babe, if you'd like to do the honors, it is your birthday in a few days.
Drum roll.
Drum roll, please. Drum roll. Here we go. First look at the room.
Mikasa.
Ooh, I see here. Let's see what this is. Okay. We have an iron and a safe. Some drawing. We have another closet here. Okay, we have some towels and we have towels and an ironing board. Decent space. A mirror. Go ahead, Sean. With your sexy self. Go. Pose.
Vogue.
And here's our room. Very nice. Here's the bed. And we have a nice little area for seating here. Place for our luggage, a TV, desk. Ooh, guide to eat sweets and treats. We have our own Keurig. All of this is complimentary, he said. Complimentary works for me. And oh, even more. Oh, a little extra in here. Gummy bear juice, a little extra spirits. And ooh, here's our view. Very nice. The beach in the far corner, and we've got a pool. Cabanas, which are complimentary, first come, first serve. Totally cool. And I like nice little, I don't know if you can see it, but if I zoom in, there is a place to get kind of apples and water, as well as beach towels, right where she's at. Very nice. Oh, and look, Hun's over here. What'd you find, Hun? Oh, sliding doors to bathrooms. Ooh, do tell, do tell. Okay. Here's our tub. And let's see what this is. Is this the toilet or, oh no, this is the shower. This is very spacious. Very, very spacious. And one can imagine this would be a toilet, you know. And then here's me. Hi. This is the vanity. Very nice. Alright, babe, this is our home. What do you think? Home for the next few days?
Nice.
Nice?
Yeah. Well, this was hooked on here.
Oh, okay. You gotta like,
Where your privacy.
my nails are gonna, you gotta click this down. Guess we'll figure that out.
Yeah.
Is it close up on the bed?
All white party hat again,
I don't know, about to find out. But I like the reclaimed wood on the walls. I think that is super cool. You have a nice little backlit area.